Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm in Jean, Nevada at the world's largest Chevron. Now there is a reason they call this the world's largest Chevron, and it's not just because it has 100 gas pumps. It's because of the Terrible's Roadhouse convenience store. This is essentially a gigantic 7-Eleven. You can go down this way, or you can go down this way. I mean, this is Nevada. They even have slot machines right down here, 21 and over. But there is so much more fun for the whole family here at Terrible's Roadhouse at the world's largest Chevron. There's lots of fun and games, including there's a Bigfoot right here in the middle of the world's largest Chevron. Now this place is most convenient to grab snacks, drinks, everything you need on your way in or out of Las Vegas. They've got dispensers of coffee and Coffee Mate. And they've got a White Castle. This is the world famous Slider Emporium. This is where you can get your combos, castle packs, desserts on a stick. They've got it all here at White Castle at the world's largest Chevron. You can get your sack of sliders and head back on the road.
Car number 197.
Now this gas station is owned by Terrible Herbst. He has a whole chain of gas stations across Las Vegas. He used to have a casino called Terrible's in Las Vegas. It's now called the Silver Sevens. Every possible snack, potato chip, pretzel, or energy drink is available here. You got your Monster drinks, your Full Throttle, your Red Bull, and of course your Coca-Cola. Oh, there's a beer cave. Maybe there's where the Bigfoot hangs out when he's not scaring people up front. Ooh, it's chilly in here. All this beer is nice and cold. I mean, this is an ice cold Red Stripe. An ice cold Corona Premier. Corona Light, Corona Extra. Who knew there were so many types of Corona? Everything in here is, oh, you can even get water. Nice cold water. I think I need some of that. Ooh, it is icy in here. Alright, I guess that's why they... Oh my god, I thought I was trapped for a second. I guess that's why they call it the beer cave. And if there's any doubt that they have Red Bull here, well, let me just tell you, they do. In fact, they have a Red Bull Energy Lounge. I guess this is where you can relax with Red Bull. I don't think Red Bull is for relaxing, but you certainly can. Here, there's comfy seats and phone chargers. Open a locker, connect your phone to the charging cable. Huh. I guess that costs money. I don't know. Here's something says free over here. What is this? Oh, free phone charging. Contact the staff for details. Well, I don't know if it's free or if maybe it is free, because there's a giant ad for Red Bull. You just sit here in the ad, think about Red Bull, and charge your phone. Wow. Can you get a sense of how gigantic this place is? I mean, we have a long way to go to see everything here. There's candy and crackers and cookies, chocolate bars, sweet tarts, Starbursts and donuts. Look at this. It's a whole kiosk of donuts. Yeah, donuts are good. Donuts, this would be handy to just have in your car as you're driving to or from Vegas. Oh, and here's the bathrooms. Now, this is probably one of the most important parts of Terrible's Roadhouse is you can stop here and go to the bathroom. And there are lots of fountain drinks. Look at all the things you can get dispensed to your needs, your individual needs, whatever you need. Look at all these things. They've got Full Throttle Twisted, High C, Minute Maid, Fanta. Wow. Imagine all the choices. I don't want to miss this part over here. I saw it a second ago and I wanted to make sure I pointed this out. This is all pizza jerky. It's all pepperoni jerky, and it's shaped like slices of pizza. Buffalo, meat lovers, Hawaiian, and it's all jerky. You can just get straight up pepperoni. Maybe I will. They also have fresh, hot, well, let me take that back. Hot sausages here, rolling and rolling and rolling and getting nice and tasty. Bold is how we roll, in fact, is the slogan right there for Ballpark Franks. Well, if you thought that this place was all about just snacks and food and drink, well, you're right, but there's actually more, even more. There's all of these knickknacks and souvenirs and hats. I mean, this is where you really want to have fun exploring. I mean, who doesn't love orange cream? I know I do. Whoa, look at all those candies over there. This is just huge dispensers. This is industrial strength candy dispensing here. Mike and Ike's, Runts, Jawbreakers, Kooky Bananas, Blue Shimmers. I don't think I've heard of that one. Bones, Fruit Sours. And look at these sodas. Orange Crush, Strawberry Crush, Grape Crush, Pickle flavored soda. Mustard. Now, I do like mustard. I think I would like this. Mustard flavored soda. Maybe. Kickapoo Joy Juice. I mean, this is kind of like, oh, Bubble Up. These are like vintage style sodas. I mean, I think some of these are actual vintage brands, and maybe they're manufacturing again, just, I don't know, just for fun. Because this does say, this says vintage sweets right here. I think some of these are certain candies and gums that you can't really get anymore. They're not at a typical 7-Eleven, but definitely you can get it here at Terrible's Roadhouse, the world's largest Chevron. Yeah, looks like something from the 20s. Moon pies. I mean, really, this place is pretty fun. You can spend a lot of time here if you like looking around at stuff like this, and I sure do. In fact, there's always something new. Like, look at this. Like, I almost missed this guy in the M&M's NASCAR suit. I mean, that's definitely fun for a NASCAR fan or an M&M fan, and I definitely am an M&M fan. Well, speaking of auto racing, there is a whole corner down here, advanced auto parts. So you can even get, oil and other car stuff. Antifreeze. I mean, this is pretty good if you need to you have some sort of road emergency or maintenance emergency. There you go. Well, whether you're looking for hamburgers, hot dogs, donuts, candy, or automotive parts, you can find it here at the world's largest Chevron in Jean, Nevada. It's a fun place just to stop, just for fun. And they've got a Zoltar.
Your fortune is mine for the telling, and yours for the hearing. Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the world's largest Chevron at Terrible's Roadhouse in Jean, Nevada. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat and see and do and places to go when it's all you can Vegas.